Hey, Girls with Grit. I thought it would be a great idea to come up with a gifts that give for under $39 graphic. So I'm going to show you today the key thing to do to remove white backgrounds. It's actually pretty easy, but I'm going to show you right now. So I'm going to delete all of these cute little leaves and cacti, and I'm going to leave that fun squiggly mark, and I am going to put the brave earrings in. So I just drag it from my uploads, pop it right in. Then I'm going to do effects. Look at this amazing thing. Remove background. Just click it. Look at that. So now you have brave earrings and rose gold. Then I'm going to go back to my uploads, and then I'm gonna try this scarf. Let's see how this does. We're gonna go effects, remove background. Let's see what happens here. Ooh, nice. It's working beautifully. So that is a fun way to figure out, oops, where did I go? I need to go back to that. What was I doing? Okay, so that, it didn't save it. So let me just do it again. I want to click upload so I can get more of my fun under $39 photos in there. And then you've got the quartz drop earrings, and you just keep going. You figure out what you want to do, and you just keep adding them. I'm going to add these down here just to bring your eye kind of across. Back to uploads, let's do a moon clutch. That's pretty great. Oh, it just replaced it. So let me undo this. Don't have anything selected. You don't want to have that. But basically, that is how you would do a little gift guide without the backgrounds. So hopefully that helps you, and it gives you another skill to use in Canva, and that you're excited. Don't forget that undo arrow is amazing. You can drop it right in. I'm going to make it smaller. Then I'm going to do effects, remove background. It's pretty awesome. I mean, it takes hours sometimes to do this in Photoshop, and it's doing a really good job. So, and then you can adjust proportions too. I mean, obviously, like, it's not going to be exactly proportionate, but it's nice to see. I'm going to just keep going to keep showing you. So effects, and then it removes the background, and then you adjust the size. I love kind of this. I might move this down here since we've got a Kawa piece right there. I might put the moon clutch over there, and then go back to my uploads. I love this leather wrap bracelet. I think that's a fun item. Let's do effects, background remover. Now I know this has that shadow, but look at that. Look at how great that did. Okay, so there's the wrap bracelet. What about the Leo tassel? That would be a good one to do. Effects, background remover. We're going to make that smaller too. And then maybe do one more, like do a 3 rows of 3 or 3 columns of 3. That one's taking just a tiny bit longer. But as you can see, look at how great. Removing that white background gives you so many options where you can overlay it on a solid color or another image. Obviously, we don't want to go too crazy when we want to keep it clean and visually appealing. Okay, for whatever reason, this one's having a harder time. So maybe oh, well, it heard me and it said, no, I'm proving you wrong. Okay, see what I did? I accidentally moved the words. So I just click the undo. Oh, and I'm gonna have to do this again. And then I would just find one more thing. Maybe the bandana would be cute since I don't have any Midnight Bloom in there. I'm gonna just make it smaller, and then I'm gonna do effects first and then move it up when I'm ready. And then obviously I can move all of these babies around so it's not you know, too cramped. So like move that over, move this over there. I probably would make this bandana smaller. Move that over, that. Yeah, I don't know. Might bring this one up here. So anyway, a fun guide for gifts that give, and then you can adjust. And I don't love that font, this font. The Open Sans is a great one, and that's one that's approved by HQ. And also I feel like it's really large, so, oh, and I don't want it too small, so, yep, that's what you do. You just play with, till you play with the words, the fonts, everything, till you find the right combination. There you go. All right, I actually want to put it back to the other one. I don't know. I like that font up there, all caps, but I didn't like the lowercase. So there you go. Hopefully that helps you and you're excited to do your own gifts that give for under $30.